Gator's World meets Gator Shake. Uncle Steve Shake. Yeah, that's what this video's about. Alright, so my buddy Gator, I found this coaster at a fish place. And the coaster looks like him. It does. So I mailed him some. And since his name's Gator, I sent him some Gator Shake. And he had never seen my videos about Gator. He didn't even know what Uncle Steve Shake is. And this is so fun of a video that he made. It's hilarious. He's up there in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. He's either at his house or he's at his camp. He'll tell you some fun stories and a few other things, but I think this video of this that I sent him was hilarious. I'm going to put a little bit of it on the end of this video so you'll be done with me, and I would appreciate you to go over and check his channel out if you enjoy getting away from reality and just check him out, listen to him. He's got good stuff. I've been connected to him since 2016. Gotta love Gator. And he's going to tell you why his name's called Gator. He's going to show you, he's going to talk about Uncle Steve Shake, the red line, and all kinds of stuff. He's never seen it before, so he's doing it live on camera. And you'll see that coaster. And this will be going on the board. He's on my old board. Anyway, I think it's hilarious. I'm going to show you bits and pieces. And at the very end of this video, there's going to be a link to the full video that he did on opening the box that I sent him. But down below, if you want to get you some Uncle Steve Shake, Gator Shake, or any of the other ones, the link is always below. That's right. The YouTube world's going crazy over it. Yes, they are. I'll leave Gator down in the description down below also. You got time to go check that video out. Alright, here's some bits and pieces. I don't know. I hadn't edited that part out. It's his video I downloaded and stole from him. Or something like that. Can I say that on YouTube? Anyway, here it is. See y'all. Have a fantastic rest of the week. We will see you Sunday. A cooking video. Yeah. I'll be working on it. See y'all. Hit that bell so you know. So you'll be notified when I leave a video out. Yeah. Well, it's going to be Sundays and Wednesdays now, isn't it? Yeah. Just come see me on Sundays and Wednesdays, yeah. Here's Gator.
I got something, a package in the mail today. It's a little package from, you guys will recognize the sticker. Oops. Yeah, it's right on the outer side. It's papatexas. I try to imitate him, but I can't. It must have cost papatexas a fortune to send this. Whoa! papatexas, YouTube, Instagram. It's a pen. Jeez, he must be popular. papatexas, eh? They even have pens. All I have is stickers. Eh? Well, I have a big sticker of his there. There's probably one in here of him. So now I got, yes, there is. Eh? A lot of peanuts in here. I don't know what. I'm gonna make some soup. This is what papatexas told me, eh? He says, I went to, I don't know, I'm gonna say a bar. I went to a bar and this guy that I love fish. It's probably a fish place in Texas. He said, and this guy looks, can you see their resemblance? Yeah, he is kind of like me, eh? So I don't have a hat like that, though. Just got my trappers. They probably put drinks on them, eh? So now I'll give them out and pretend that it's me, eh? Hi, thanks a lot, papatexas. papatexas. I don't know how he says that, eh? There's not only popcorn in here, there's something else. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's this? Okay. Gator shake. Oh, hang on. I gotta show this. It's right there. Gator. It's made a special for me. Papa, Texas. Papa, Texas kitchen. Yeah. Uncle Steve's Shake Company product. There's a UncleSteveShake.com. If shake falls below the line, get more. Emergency line. See this here? See, if it goes below that, I'm sure Papa Texas must have showed that. This is probably some. Oh, whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, there's a. I don't know if I'd open that, but oh yeah. Woo! That smells like it smells like something. Yeah, it smells like something, all right. Smells like a retard ate this guy here. Hang on, tell you. That smells like a little bit like chips, barbecue chips. Papa Kitchen, yeah. I can't imitate him. As seen on YouTube. Papa Texas. Jeez, it's awful nice of you, Papa Texas, to think of me like that. And Uncle Sam's. He's from Texas too, eh? Yeah. Gator shake. I don't know if they skin a gator and they put it in the shake, eh? Yeah, but you guys, some of you's in there, so it's been a while, I think, since I didn't steal none. But I told a story of why this guy up north in the snow country, and why he's, hang on, I'll take my glasses off, I can't even see you guys. Why he's called Gator, eh? His little stumpy hands, eh? And he can't reach in the wallet when he goes out for dinner with a whole bunch of people, eh? Can't reach a call, so they all call him Gator. Anyways, got nothing to do with today's talk, though. Well, thank you, Papa Texas, for thinking of me. And for them. I love fish. I'm sure this must have been a fish-eating place. It does look like me, the guy. Maybe it's a long-lost cousin or something like that. Eh? We do have some family members that have escaped. Eh? And famous Papa Texas. You go see Papa Texas there. Go see him on his channel there. He's cooking with Maddie there all the time. Well, sometimes she's in there. I guess it depends how she feels, eh? They're a pair. And always cooking something interesting. Okay, I've said enough. Don't forget, eh, folks, it doesn't matter what you are, as long as you are yourself. Don't pretend to be somebody you're not. Those are Gator's jewels of knowledge for the day. I salute you all. We'll see you in the next one.